In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar. If you've ever moved a meeting to the wrong day or deleted an event by accident, this quick walkthrough will help you get back on track with confidence. First, let's cover the fastest way to undo your last action while you are using Google Calendar on a computer. Right after you make a change, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Ctrl+Z on a Mac. This immediately reverses the most recent action you took in the calendar. Whether that was editing event details, moving an event to a different time, or deleting it. Make sure your browser window with Google Calendar is active when you press the shortcut, so the command is applied to the calendar and not another app. This is designed for quick corrections, so it's most reliable when you use it right after making a change. Now, a quick but important note about redoing actions. Google Calendar doesn't include a built-in redo function once you've undone something. That means after you undo, there isn't a shortcut to bring the change back automatically. If you decide you actually wanted the original change, you'll need to manually reapply it. For example, if you undid moving an event and then change your mind, simply drag the event to the desired time again or edit the event details to match what you intended. If the change you want to reverse involves a deleted event, here is a dedicated place to restore it. Open Google Calendar on a computer. At the top right, click the Settings gear icon from the menu that appears. Select Trash. This area keeps recently deleted events for a limited time before they're permanently removed. Look through the list to find the event you want back. When you spot it, click the Restore icon, which looks like a curved arrow next to that event. The event will return to your calendar, typically in its original location and time. This is especially helpful if you remove something by mistake and didn't catch it right away. To recap, use Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Z immediately to undo your last change. Remember, here is no built-in redo, so you'll reapply changes manually. And use the trash in settings to restore deleted events. With these simple tools, you can work quickly and confidently without worrying about harmless mistakes. Thanks for watching.